All right, happy birthday! It's 6:59, core work 6.2.2. You have decided to give your best friend a bag of red and green marbles for his birthday. Your friend likes green marbles better than the red ones, so the bag has twice as many greens as reds. This tells us something. This tells us actually a little equation. It says that the greens, which we will call G, are twice as many as the reds. So the G is equal to 2 times the red. That's a really important little equation to be able to write. There's twice as many greens as reds, so the G is equal to 2 times the reds. Okay. The label on the bag says it contains a total of 84 marbles. There's another equation right there. That means if you took the greens and the reds together, they would total something. They would total 84. So we've got two equations right away. So how many green marbles in the bag? We're going to write a system of equations for this problem. Well, guess what? We already got our system. It's right here. We got G equals 2R. And we've got G plus R equals 84. Again, there's twice as many greens as reds, so the G equals 2 times the number of reds. And the greens, the number of greens plus the number of reds together makes 84. So they add up to 84. Those are our two equations. Now it says solve using any method you like. Well, I like the substitution method. I like that if I know that G equals 2R, that I could replace the G here. Instead of writing G, I would write 2R. So that's exactly what I'm doing. We use substitution method. And what I get is, I need to learn how to write substitute. There it is. Substitute. Instead of G, I write 2R plus R equals 84. Because instead of having the G there, I put the 2R there. Okay. So now I just combine like terms. And what that gets me is 2R plus R is 3R. That equals 84. So then, of course, I divide 3 both sides. And that gets me R equals, what is 84 divided by 3? I'm going to say it's 28, but I'm also going to say Desmos. You probably know better than I do. What is 84 divided by 3? Ooh, got it. 28. All right, cool. So, happy birthday and all that. All right, so R equals 28. We need to find G. So we know that G plus R equals 84. So what I'll do is I'll substitute 28 in for R. So therefore, G plus 28 equals 84. So then I'll subtract 28 from both sides. And that gets me, and I always write the word sides wrong. I don't know why. It's just substitute and sides. I just can't spell those words. Okay, so subtract 28 from both sides. I get Q, or no, that shouldn't say Q at all, should it? Boy, that would be confusing for anybody, wouldn't it? G, not Q, G plus 28 equals 84. So G equals 84 minus 28, which is 56, I think. Let's do 84 minus 28. And see, it doesn't matter if you think you're great at it. It's always good to check your work. 56. Okay. So our solution should be 28, comma 56. All right. So we'll try G equals 2R and G plus R equals 84 in Desmos. I'm going to deselect these so I don't confuse them. G equals 2R and G plus R equals 84, and then we're going to look for where these two intersect. Oh, we see R equals 28. It's not graphing this one. Okay, but R equals 28. So if R equals 28, is that agreeing with what we saw? Yes. So yes, our solution is correct. Happy birthday.